know. Alright, let's go.
And when the tide hits you straight in the face, life is getting harder, treading water, got nowhere to go. And as the time slips away, day by day, stranded in the ocean, every open door has now been closed. Deadbolt locked, no escape, feeling like an outcast, so out of place. And I know the tides might take you away, but don't you worry, there's no hurry for tomorrow, cause today's still young.
Now you've hit rock bottom, and you're feeling lost at sea, yeah. Just keep your head above the water, and I know you'll find some way to breathe. When the tides, they drag you down, when the tides, they drag you down, down under, further than you've ever been or wanna know. And when the tides, they pull you out, when the tides, they pull you out, I'll so far, Lord, teach me how to swim, how to swim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stray away from the bad vibes. Whoa, whoa, only go where the good vibes.
The good vibes, I knew I would choose positivity after I realized my life is so much more. I know this life ain't what you bargained for, but honestly you never know what life has got in store. Cause everybody's gonna make it if they try, and if you persevere through your fears, never hide. Fold your hands in the prayer to the sky, and let your worries wash away with the tides. And I'm singing.
Now you've hit rock bottom, and you're feeling lost at sea, yeah. Just keep your head above the water, and I know you'll find some way to breathe. When the tides, they drag you down, when the tides, they drag you down, down under, further than you've ever been or wanna know. And when the tides, they pull you out, when the tides, they pull you out, I'll so far, Lord, teach me how to swim, how to swim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stray away from the bad vibes. Whoa, whoa, only go where the good vibes.
And you gotta keep your chin up,
You gotta keep your chin up,
keep your head held
high.
just forget about the bad tides,
Yeah,
let them roll on by.
let 'em roll.
And you gotta keep your chin up, keep your head held high,
Let 'em roll.
and just forget about the bad times, let them roll on by.
When the tides, they drag you down, when the tides, they drag you down, down under, further than you've ever been or wanna know. And when the tides, they pull you out, when the tides, they pull you out, I'll so far, Lord, teach me how to swim, how to swim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay away from the bad vibes. Whoa, whoa, only go where the good vibes. Whoa, whoa, stray away from the bad vibes. Whoa, only go where the good vibes. Stay away from the bad vibes.
Guys, update you guys. Oh!
Only go where the good vibes.